Hey there, I'm Hugo Ferreira from TechCornerTV. Another Monday means another mailbag day. So we have package to open. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified every time we have new videos. So it's unbox time. Okay, we are gonna move everything away and yeah, let's start with this small one we have here. Okay, this is camera accessories on the box. See how we open this. And okay, so what we have here. Okay, this is a fake battery for our Canon EOS M50. And here we have the power supply. As usual, this is the European connector without the earth. And this goes here. So we don't have to keep changing the batteries. Sometimes it's a little annoying to interrupt the recording to change the battery. Yeah. A nice product also. Let's see if it works well. Okay, this was the first one. Let's take this out of the way. And for the sound, it should be something like screws or something like that. Well, a lot of screws for what I can see here. Yeah, so I ordered this. It's always useful for projects. Those are M3 screws, several sizes. I have here with flat heads. Yeah. 25 mils, 10 mils, 16, and those are quite small. Oh, it seems that I cut more than I wish to. Yeah, I have to be careful when opening the boxes. Okay, so those are 4 millimeters, very small. So the screws, and we have also here nuts to be melted and inserted on 3D printed constructions. We hit the nut and it will be stuck in the middle of the filament after it is 3D printed, of course, and it will give a nice touch to the 3D printing stuff. So we have your new box. Oh, this seems to be also for the camera. Yeah. So we have a lot of accessories for the camera. This is a quick release adapter, so we don't have always to be screwing the camera to the how you call it, the tripod. We have here a hot shoe mount adapter. I have several of it. Another one. L adapters. L mounters. So we can mount different accessories with 2 screws. That should go here, I believe. Yeah. So we can mount the camera in different ways, or another projector to the side. We have here 4 L's, and this is a male 1/4 inch to male 1/4 inch. I think this is only to be used as a screw. I don't remember why I ordered this. And we have also some nuts. Yeah. And this is 1/4 to 2/4 also. Yeah. Something like this. And we can use it to hold something in the tripods. Okay, so more stuff for the channel. And we have here a conversion nut from 1/4 to 3/8. Yeah, of an inch. Let me take it out to show. It is, let's see if you can yeah, outside is 3/8, and here it's inside it's 1/4. So we can convert between the two of them. Yeah, nice stuff. Let's put this here and take this out of the way. Okay, so the next one, it says it does not say anything. Let's try open here. Okay. So this is a power supply. Nothing special here. It has two. This should be a PC sockets and 2 fast charging sockets. Let me see if it has here the information. Well, it doesn't say, but nothing special here. Just a power supply. I will leave on the footer the specifics about this. This is a Kula power supply. So yeah, it's always useful. We have a quick charging port, and yeah, let's put this on the bag again, and we go to the next one. What do we have here? Okay, so a description. Let's open and find out. Okay. This is for an idea I have to make a machine. This is a aluminum and it's a heat plate. The idea that I have, and I will try this as a project on our Electronic channel. It's to make a machine to transfer ink to PCBs. Okay, so my idea is to use it like this, and it will hit the ink and the PCB to transfer the ink for etching. Okay, let's see how it goes, and if it works, I will let you guys know after. Normally, this is used for rebound to hit PCBs and to glue parts and everything else like that. But I saw this and I had this idea. It will probably not work, but well, we did some adapters. This is like the fit. Each of the foots has a small screw to install here. So, but probably I will not use this. But yeah, okay. If it works, if my idea works, it will be a very nice way of passing the ink for PCB, so you can etch after, and probably will have a very good quality, laser-like quality. And yeah, I just want to try. Those were, well, cheap parts. I believe it's both of them should be about 10 euros, $12 more or less. I will check that after and leave the comment in below. But yeah, I have this idea. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't, but yeah, you can try it. So, okay, next one. It's a clips. Oh, it comes with a bag and all. Ah, okay, this is a set of. Okay, we have a set of tweezers here. Those are electronic tweezers, as I think I already told you. And yeah, some bigger. We have 10, 11. This one is 12. I don't know what the number means, but well, some are bigger than the others, so the number is bigger. Then we have this that have this not so pointy end. Okay, it's 13, 14. Okay, we have here some with the curve end. Another one straight. This one is really pointy. A little more fat than the others. Another in L form. And yeah, another pointy one. 18. And this one is like a spatula. Yeah. Not focusing. So we have here 10 tweezers with a nice bag to store it. Another good addition to our lab. Okay, let's put it on, and we are going to pass to the last one, this one. Let's open it carefully. Okay. This one, it's not properly for the channel or for me specifically, not even for our lab. This is for my online storage. To be honest, I'm quite surprised because I thought that this will be with lesser quality. It will not stand after the delivery. Normally this kind of stuff comes all packed up, all smashed, and will not stand correctly on. But well, this is for socks and to put on a drawer. It's just a curiosity that we received here. We receive everything here and we'll open and see what it is. So today it was a bit of a surprise here. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you like, please give a thumbs up. If you didn't already, please subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified every time we have new videos. That's it for today. Again, I hope to see you soon in our next video. And don't forget that we have two more channels, one for electronics, one for reviews. Give them a look and you will probably find something you like. Okay, stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.